Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube classes of Bapuji College, Bagalkot. Now today we are going to discussing about another important topic of the genetics, that is about the mutations. What is the definition of the mutations? Mutation definition is sudden, inheritable, discontinuous, variations appear in organism due to permanent changes in their genotype. Is called as mutations. Is called as what? The mutations. What is here the meaning? Sudden, inheritable, the discontinuous variations appeared in an organism due to the permanent changes in their genotype is called the mutations. Here they know that what is the gene. First you can take the cell is there. What happened in the cell? The nucleus is there. In the nucleus, the chromosome is there. This is the cell. It is a what? Nucleus. In the nucleus, what is there? The chromosome is present. In the chromosome, what happened that the gene is present. The gene is present. What? The DNA is present. What happened here that in the DNA, the base pairs is there. The adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. In this DNA base pair, any changes, either gain or the loss, what happened? It leads to the changes in the organism, the characters. So after the changes in this organism character, it is transferred to the next generation. It is called as the mutation. It is called as what? The mutations. The mutation is a word. The first, the mutation. Who is that? The scientist Hugo Dewey. In the year of 1901, he did the research on one plant that Oenothera lamarckiana. In a plant, he did the research. Hugo Dewey. So that's why the Hugo Dewey is called as the father of mutations. What we are called? The father of the mutations. Hugo Dewey. That. In the mutations, about the mutations, some of the scientists, they are sharing their opinions on mutations. About the one by one scientists, their opinions we have to discuss now that. In that, the first you can take that, the Charles Darwin is there. The Charles Darwin, he said the mutations is a spores are saltations, which were the mutations according to the Charles Darwin. Now we can take that the Bateson, according to the Bateson is introduced the word of the genetics also. See here the Bateson, according to the Bateson, the mutations is a discontinuous variations. The next another person is a T.H. Morgan. TH means Thomas Hunt Morgan. He did the research, the pattern of inheritance. Pattern of inheritance. The pattern of inheritance. He did the research on the pattern of inheritance in which Drosophila melanogaster. It is the generally we call this. It is a fruit fly. On the fruit fly, he did the pattern of inheritance to the T.H. Morgan. So that's why the T.H. Morgan is called the father of modern genetics. He is called the father of modern genetics. Who? The T.H. Morgan or Thomas Hunt Morgan. Then after that, what we have to do? What is the types of the mutations? We will discuss types of mutations. Then now we are going to discuss about the types of the mutations. In the types of the mutations, or the two types, the basically, one is the chromosomal mutation. The second one is the point mutations. The chromosomal mutations, the another name is the frame shift mutations. These chromosomal mutations is occurred in the structural changes of chromosome. The structural changes of the chromosome. Which one? The chromosomal mutations. So now we can take the point mutation. The changes of the single base pair in the gene. See here the cell is consisting of the nucleus. The nucleus is present to what? The gene. The gene is present to what? The DNA. Means the base pairs are present in where? In the DNA. For example, it is about the structure of the DNA. In the DNA, what is there? Here, adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine is there. Same here, the adenine, guanine, thymine, like this is there. Here the what? Thymine, cytosine, adenine, guanine. So like that, what the base pairs are is there. If you what is the point mutation? So instead of the adenine, if you are replaced the adenine by the thymine, the guanine is replaced by the cytosine, or any one base pair can be changed and replaced by the another base pair. Due to that, there is a permanent changes is happening. This type of the mutations we are called as the point mutations. Again, the point mutations we will discuss the types of the point mutation is later. After that, now we can go for the chromosomal mutations or the frame shift mutations. These occur in the structure of the changes of the chromosomes. This type of the changes is called as chromosomal aberrations. Chromosomal aberrations. Chromosomal aberrations. So here in this, the chromosomal aberrations, again there is the types is there. The changes in the morphology of the chromosome, the changes in the number of the chromosome. See here in this only, again changes in the morphology of the chromosome. The next, the changes in number of chromosomes. This, the chromosome occur in the structural changes chromosome, that is called chromosomal aberrations. This chromosomal aberrations again two types. The changes is happening the morphology, the structure of the chromosome. Again the second one, the changes in the number of the chromosome. In that again what we are in detail discuss about the changes in the morphology of the chromosome. Now we will discuss that only. The changes in the morphology of the chromosome. I mean, the morphology means the body structure, the changes in the external body structure. That is called morphology. The changes in the morphology of the chromosome is a two types. One is intrachromosomal abbreviations. The next is interchromosomal abbreviations. What is the intra and inter? Intra nothing but within a chromosome. Within a chromosome. Is the inter nothing but is between the different chromosomes. Different chromosomes. Inter means between. It is within that. So what is the intrachromosomal abbreviations? Now see here that the breaking of the chromosome segment, their loss or the union with the same chromosome only. Same chromosome only. For example, in this you can take it is about the one chromosome that. In that, what is the loss of the one part? So what happened up to now? It is a loss itself. It is a you can take that 1, 2, 3, and 4. What happened? The fourth segment, some of the part, it is a breakdown itself. Then again, it is like that. If breakdown itself, like that, or same this only, the same another. It is chromosome 1, 2, 3, and 4. What happened that next time it is remove the fourth gene, then again it is attached to the union to the another place of the chromosome. Another place of the chromosome that. So like that is there, that is called intrachromosome. Means within the chromosome to lose the some part of the segment of the chromosome, the union of the chromosome from to remove the another place, breaking of one place, again attach to another place within the chromosome. So like that it is happened that it is called as what? Intrachromosomal abbreviations. What is the interchromosomal abbreviations? Which is these abbreviations happen between the chromosomes. This is a one homologous chromosome, one chromosome. This is the same another chromosome. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this is that. What happened that in this part, first one, it is breakdown itself. Then again here joining to the another that. Here the breakdown. Here the A chromosome. It is a B chromosome. A chromosome gene one is a breakdown itself to union to the B chromosome that. So like that chromosomal abbreviation is called interchromosomal abbreviation. If within the is there, that intrachromosomal abbreviations that. So in that again, that intrachromosomal abbreviations are the three types is there. One is the deficiency, second one is the deletion, the third one is the inversion. Inversion, deletion, and deficiency. This is the types of the intrachromosomal abbreviations. See, remember one thing that the definition of the mutations 2019 the KCET entrance examination bit. Remember this. The next that the interchromosomal abbreviation, that is the duplication, another one is the inversion. In this, now we are going to discuss about the intrachromosomal abbreviation. The first one is the deficiency. About the deficiency we will discuss clearly with the diagram. Is the intrachromosomal abbreviations. The first one is the deficiency. The definition of the deficiency, it is the loss of the terminal segment. This word is very important. The terminal segment of the chromosome and produced by the single break, very important in the chromosome. For example, we will take that it is one chromosome. It is a what? It is a normal. It is a normal chromosome. Normal chromosome. How is there in the normal chromosome? There is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or like this is there. Or you can take the instead of that A, B, C, D also like that we will take. No problem with that. See, it is a normal. In the normal chromosome, if it is involving the single break, involving the deficiency, what will happen that? Here they see that now after the deficiency, after the completion of the deficiency, the mutations, what happened that in the terminal, it is which one? The fourth is the fifth is the terminal segment of the chromosome. What happened that to loss of the this? What happens here? 1, 2, 3, and 5. Means here the one which one? The fourth is the last, means single break. This is called deficiency. It is a normal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is thermal means and one is the fourth. Gene is it is not there that. So it is what only one breaking and the thermal segment is removed. Like that is called as what that deficiency. Now this is about the deficiency. Then now same we can take that another one that the next is the deletion is there. The deletion same, it is a loss of intercalary segment. Intercalary segment. Intercalary segment of the chromosome produced by the double break. Intercalary segment, and to remember that double break. Double break. See here I will explain this through the diagram. This you can take that one chromosome. It's a normal is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like that is there. It is a what? It's a normal chromosome. In this what? Intercalary means the middle one. The double break. What after that is the involving in the deletion. After the deletion, what is happening that same? We can take that chromosome same. This only 1, 2, and 5, 6. What happened here in the beginning? The middle is the two genes are two breaks are eliminated. So like that it is called as what? The deletion. That here the before one is the only the single one only 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4 only means the third gene is not there. This is what deficiency. The deletion is the what? The two breaking, and that is also intercalary means the middle that intercalary part. That is about the what? The deletion that. Then after the deletion, saying that now we are going to discussing about the last one is that is about the inversion. Same inversion that what happened that now we can take the chromosome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like that. Inversion nothing but the part of the chromosome or the segment of the chromosome it is turned into 180 degrees angle. 180 degrees angle means how like that? See here like that. This only figurely then so like that is what happened. How we are taking that 1, 2, 3. The 4, 5, 6 means here the third and fourth genes are turned how much? Here the 180 degrees, 180 degree angle. So that is about the inversion. It is a type of the what? The interchromosomal abbreviations. That now after that intrachromosomal abbreviations. Now we are going to discuss that only. That the interchromosomal abbreviations. In the first one is the duplication. The second one is the translocation. That duplication nothing but is the double. See here, what happened that in the duplication here the one chromosome is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But in the chromosome only, what happened the second one that here the 3 and 4 is only one type. But here what? The duplication of 3 and the 4, the genes that the two times, the twice in a segment of the chromosome. The twice in a segment of the chromosome. That is called as the duplication. Same chromosome only, but twice. 3, 4 is a double, is a twice. That is about the duplication. That now translocation. The translocation is type of the chromosomal abbreviation happened between the non-homologous chromosome. Between the non-homologous chromosome. What is the homologous, non-homologous? For example, you can take the homologous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the same genes is there, so that is homologous. For example, another one you can take that 7, 8, 9, 10. So between this, when the comparing that, then the genes is a different. So it is a non-homologous chromosome. That this the translocation is happened between the non-homologous chromosomes. So actually this 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. The general it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This here the one 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is actually normal. This is the normal. This is also what in normal. What happened after the translocation? What happened there? Which is the here the 1, 2 is there. here the actual this is the 1 and 2 is there. These two are joined to the non-homologous chromosome here. But here the which one is there? 7 and 8 is there. This 7 and 8 it is joined to the another non-homologous chromosome. That the between the exchange of between the non-homologous chromosomes, that is called as what? The translocation. Translocation. In this we are discussing about the intrachromosomal aberrations now. Now we are going to discussing about the changes in the chromosome number. So now we have the changes in the chromosome number. The changes in the chromosome number we divide into two types. One is aneuploidy, another one is a polyploidy. Very very important in entrance and the PU board examination. Before going to discuss this aneuploidy and polyploidy, first we discuss about the cell division. In the cell division, one is the metaphase, another one, the two stages is the anaphase. That what is happening during the stage of the metaphase, all the chromatids can be joined to the middle of the cell. Where it is joined, all come together in the middle of the cell. Then form the what? The metaplate is formed. The metaplate is formed during the phase of the metaphase. After the metaphase completion, there is a one thing is happened, that what is that? Non-disjunction. Non-disjunction. Due to the non-disjunction, unequal supply of the chromosomes to the progeny cells. Progeny cells. How like that? See here, these chromatids will be pulled into the polar side, the polar region side. It is a up and down polar region side. These chromatids is connected to the polar region through the microtubules, or help of the microtubules. What happens sometimes? What will happen that this is the microtubule between the connection between the chromatids and microtubules, the breakage of the microtubules. That when the breakage of the microtubules, what is happening that after the cytokinesis process. What is the cytokinesis? The division of the cytoplasm is called as cytokinesis. But normally, when it is divided into two equal parts after the division, two say the equal part and it's equal the chromosomes. When the progeny cells, when after the formation of the progeny cells, same number of chromosomes here and both is the same number of the chromosomes will be distributed. It's normally, but due to the breakage or due to the non-disjunction, what happened that the breakage of the microtubules, some of the chromosomes, the high amount of the chromosomes, high number of the chromosomes, the transfer to the one progeny, and a low number of the chromosomes transfer to the another progeny. For example, if take the A, it is the B. So due to the breakage of the microtubule, there is a phenomenon of non-disjunction. Some of the chromosomes are going to the more in the B, some are the less in the A. So like that, due to that, there is a happen that the aneuploidy and polyploidy due to the cytokinesis, the failure of the cytokinesis and the end of the anaphase stage. What is the polyploidy? What is the aneuploidy? We are discussing about the aneuploidy and polyploidy. Now the changes in the chromosome number is a polyploidy and aneuploidy. What is the polyploidy and aneuploidy definition is very important the board examination. See, the failure of the segregation of the chromatids during the cell division results in the increasing in whole set, very important, whole set of the chromosome in organism is called polyploidy. Example is a plant. For example, whole set of the chromosomes. Here in our human beings, the 2n equal to how many? The 46 chromosomes is there. Means how many pairs of the chromosomes? The 23 pairs of the chromosomes is there. So due to the polyploidy, what happened that if the 23 pairs of the chromosomes is there, mean nothing but 23 sets is there. So like that, it is about the one chromosome. It is about the one. Then it is a set of the chromosome that. It is the first chromosome set. For example, here the word second chromosome set. It is like the third chromosome set. So like the 23 pairs of the chromosome set is there. Then due to the polyploidy, what is happening that each set, the whole set, which is the 23 pairs is there, it is a 23 equal to 2n. But it is changed into a TN because at the plus of the one extra chromosome, first chromosome, plus of the one extra chromosome, again plus of the one extra chromosome. So like that, throughout the total 23 chromosomes, one chromosome will be added. Means that becoming the 3n, the double diploid with the triplied, the 3n, which in the polyploidy, whole set of the chromosomes, a very important example in the plant. Now we can take the aneuploidy, the failure of the segregation of the chromatids during the cell division cycle result in the gain or loss of the chromosome, the gain or loss of the single chromosome. For example, the total the human beings, the 2n, we are called the 2n equal to the 46 chromosomes. The 2n equal to 46 chromosomes. What happened that if your gain means plus 1 means what happened here it is used to 2n plus 1 to gain. If your gain that is called hyperploidy, if it may be loss, the 2n equal to minus 1. Loss means 2n minus 1. It is hypoploidy. The last only one chromosome is added or removed, that is called aneuploidy. The polyploidy, whole set of the chromosome, one chromosome is added. That is about the polyploidy and aneuploidy. Again the types of the aneuploidy we are doing. If you add the chromosome, it is called hyperpolyploidy. If lost, it is called hypopolyploidy. We will discuss that. Aneuploidy. Aneuploidy means either one chromosome is added or deleted. If one chromosome lost, if loss of the chromosome is hyperploidy, hypertension means more than 120/80 like this. Aneuploidy means hyperpolyploidy nothing but to addition of chromosome. Here the deletion of the chromosome. See, already we said that the total chromosome we are called as the 2n. In this 2n, if you add the plus 1, if you add the 1 plus 1, 2n plus 1 is the what? The 3. So that is called the trisomy. If here add the 2n plus 2, that is a tetrasomy, plus 3, the pentasomy. That means if here the trisomic structure, if here the one, what happened that in the trisomy 2n plus 1 means one extra chromosome is added. Due to that, we are getting the some diseases like the Down syndrome, the Klinefelter syndrome, the Patau syndrome. For example, you can take the Down syndrome means the 21st chromosome become the trisomy. The Klinefelter syndrome, the 45 chromosome plus 1 X chromosome is added, which the Klinefelter syndrome. Now Patau syndrome is the 13. Next, you can take the Edwards syndrome. Edwards syndrome is 18, is a trisomy. Means due to the number of this adding of one chromosome, that is trisomy. That we will in detail discuss the Down and Klinefelter Patau is Edwards syndrome. We will discuss the in detail upcoming classes. Now tetrasomy plus 2 added, that is called tetrasomy. So example in apple. Now it's a pentasomy. 3 chromosomes is added, that is about the pentasomic. Example is a super female is a pentasomic. Very important entrance examination. Hypoploidy means hypoploidy is 2n minus 1. If a last one means hypoploidy. Here 1 is last. 2n minus 1 is equal to how many? Only 1. So monosomic. If your 2 is last, it is a nullsomic. Those who are nullsomic people, there is a death only. Now monosomic is one of the syndrome, that is a Turner syndrome. What is the karyotype of the Turner syndrome? Is a 45 plus X0 or 45 with 0. Also, it is a karyotype of the Turner syndrome. The karyotype of the Down syndrome, 21st is the trisomy. Karyotype of the Klinefelter syndrome, the 45 plus XXY. The Patau syndrome 13 is a trisomy. Edwards syndrome is 18 is the trisomy. And the monosomic is which one? The Turner syndrome. The nullsomic is a death only. That this is a very important entrance examination. Now after the last one is, that is the point mutations we will discuss. The point mutations. The point mutations again divided into two types. So due to the changes in the single base pair, that is what the point mutations. The two types. The first one is the spontaneous mutation. The second one is the induced mutation. What is the spontaneous mutation? Which is the point mutations is happened by naturally without influence of the outside factors or automatically to happen inside of the internal regions. That type of the mutations is called the spontaneous mutations. It is a natural mutations. The next is the induced mutations, which is the mutations happened due to the external characters like external factors like the chemicals or any other factors. That type of the mutations is called induced mutations. Very important. The induced mutations is the first introduced by that Muller. The Muller is a scientist. The first introduced the induced mutations. This is about the complete information of the mutations. The mutations not only in genetics, it is present in the evolution also. Take care each and every point in the mutation. Thank you one and all.